On another leak in my water line for my refrigerator, so I'm going to cut it here and then put in this 5/16 inch compression coupling like I did on this piece here. This refrigerator is fairly old, so this tubing may be starting to break down. We noticed underneath the crisper tray, though, inside there's a roll of additional tubing, so you probably could pull the tubing out and get rid of a lot of the old, maybe. Okay, you may not know this, but in at least our refrigerator, maybe this is common in others, you might want to check before you think about buying more tubing and so forth. But in our refrigerator side, in our double refrigerator, we have a coil of tubing, extra tubing, so they must anticipate this tubing breaking down over the years. Now this refrigerator is over 10 years old. I think the life expectancy now is 5 to 10. So anyway, ours came with this roll of tubing. So before you buy new tubing, look behind your crisper trays to make sure you don't have a roll like I do. So I'm going to cut the bad section out now. See the water here, it's leaking out. Got quite a bit of slack in it. I know I cut a pretty good piece out. And I noticed some discoloration of the tubing, maybe from heat, because this is down fairly close to the compressor. So that may be causing the cracking. See the crack there? And I just cut the plastic with this kind of a X-Acto blade carpet knife. And you unscrew the nut and the ferrule and slide them onto the pipe. And tighten the nut on, and you can hold in the center with pliers or a wrench and then tighten the nut on. So that's one side. So we slide the other nut onto the other piece. And the ferrule washer-like thing. Then screw it on. And there it's on. Let's test it out. And we have a slight drip on this side, so I didn't get that tight enough. So let's loosen that. Okay, I tightened it up. Sometimes you might have to put a little bit of plumber's tape, Teflon tape on these threads to completely stop it from leaking. If it doesn't work this time, we may have to do that. Okay, YouTubers, I think we got it. There's maybe a slight leak, but the hard water will seal that off. I might try tightening up a little bit more. If that doesn't succeed, then you would want to put Teflon tape on. But then this goes up in this slot like so, and there we go. Old John signing out.